Get ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, the Honourable Minister for Urban Development laid a statement on the table of the House that day concerning the progress made in the construction of industrial housing by the state governments, by the employers, and by the cooperatives of the industrial workers. Even in the supplementaries that I put to the Honourable Minister that day, and also in the discussion that I am going to raise today, the points that I wish to make out very sharply are that the Housing Ministers Conference held at Bengaluru in October 2007 was seized of the entire delay that is there in the construction of industrial houses. The conference was also seized of the fact that the question of cooperatives of the industrial workers coming into existence is also being hampered because certain legislative measures that governments should take are not being taken by them. It was also brought to the notice of the government and to the notice of the Housing Ministers Conference at Bengaluru in October 2007 that the employers were not taking this matter seriously, and it was also suggested at that conference that even decisions have been taken to bring about certain legislations in the country to force the employers to come forward with the construction of houses. Sir, at the 16th Indian Labour Conference, this subject was discussed at length by the employers, the employees, and the government representatives who attended that conference. It was at the 15th Indian Labour Conference that the employers agreed that houses might be constructed by them, but when it came to the 16th conference, the employers cleanly escaped the responsibility. The 16th Indian Labour Conference was held after the Housing Ministers Conference in Bengaluru. When the Housing Ministers Conference itself had come to certain conclusions that legislative measures would be necessary in order to force the employers to construct the houses, when the Labour Ministers Conference this year also came to the conclusion that legislative measures would be necessary, that certain coercive measures would be necessary in order to force the employers to construct the houses, the National Housing Construction Bill that was suggested and contemplated at the Bengaluru Conference is not yet even under the consideration of the government. Sir, mere decisions by the government will not come to the rescue of the houseless employees.